Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fairway, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the ideal moving company when moving over a distance of 50 miles. We transport your belongings smoothly, whether you're moving within the state, interstate, or interstate, or if your move extends outside the state or interstate. Our professional movers work with your timeline and follow your instructions when sorting and loading your belongings. Before packing your belongings, we separate fragile items from heavyweight items to prevent the delicate items from breaking. We also label the boxes appropriately to prevent mix-ups. Also, when loading, we secure them tightly in the compartments of our moving trucks to prevent damages during the trip. Our drivers are also cautious and have valid licenses to move items over 50 miles. They're also obedient to road and traffic laws. We have put adequate insurance in place to cover any form of risk that may arise during the move. Moving within Fairway also requires a laid-out moving plan and expert movers. 3 Movers is a top moving firm in the city. We are conversant with every route in the town, so respond to your calls promptly. Our local moving service is also very affordable. Although local moves are less expensive than long-distance trips, we offer our top-notch local moving services at cheapest rates. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.